Cover the eyes. Just imagine releasing everything and drop, 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 like you're falling through the air and it's fine. Cover the eyes and drop and drop and drop and drop. I'm going to drop the head down. We're going to circle around, but just lifting up so that the eyes go above the horizon. And circle around again and lift on the other side. Again, when we're doing this, we are surrendering. We want the movement to be free, but we also don't want to compress the back of the neck. That's still important.
So as you're doing these movements, remember, as Darshan said, not to hurt yourself, not to compress the back of the neck, but also concentrate here more on the energy of the movement.